President wa dziko lino Dr. Michael Usi akupitirizabe kuyendera ntchito za boma komanso kuyendera maofisi onse a boma kufufuza kuti kodi zinthu zikuyenda motani. Lero Vice President yu anali ku Blantyre kumene anapita ku maofisi a French Culture, Blantyre French Culture, kumene amakaona project yo manga French Culture imene inatsokonekera kalekale kumene kumachitika zosiyana-siyana masewero tingokamba kuti mwina zokhuza entertainment komanso zakacha. Kumeneko anapeza ogwira ntchito mwachidodo ndipo sizinamusangalatse pakuti anayitanisa akuluakulu amene akuyang'anira project imeneyi ndikuyamba kuwalangiza komanso kuwasambwaza pakuti akuchedwetsa ntchito za boma. Taonani imene Vice President anayendera kumaolo kutero.
Now, July, government cannot give money for this. What are the other options?
And Prime Minister, we have submitted a cost report to the client, which is stockproof.
Let me help you.
February.
You write proposals to other funders. It's not the only government that can give. There are so many funders that you can go to. We are struggling as government. This is for Malawians. Could you help us with this funding? Even coming to the office of the Vice President, can we work together to find donors to help us to do this? We can talk to the President, let's find donors to do this. Because we are a team. When I'm asking these questions, it's not that I'm saying, oh, look at them. I'm saying we are a team, just like a football team. One player is injured, but he cannot pass the ball to those that are fast. He's always complaining, no, I cannot pass the ball to anybody because I'm injured. Why can't you pass the ball to the other one? You're not the only ones in the ministry. You have your colleagues in the President's office, Vice President's office. We work as a team so that when we default, I don't come to ask you, because I should have found these excuses in the office of the Vice President to say we have failed because of the fraud. We are under the sun, things do happen. But the problem is we don't have the paper trail to say this has failed because of that. He is talking about price adjustments and designs. Those things are not found anywhere. You know them, it's captured in your minds, but not out there. So what I'm saying, my dear sister, is that let's work together, plead with other funders. Titalizeni, tufanye kwambili kunoko weekend. Ena mangoma moa, ena kupanga easy because there's no entertainment. So let's think very fast. I also talk to those guys. I mean, I will be a drama. Let's work together with Ntchito, Kitamange. Deti masaina papa litizakali panopo. Kuna kulitanani? Chata. So let's work together. It's not like kumuponyana kuti hey. No. Let's work together. Musaba panile Ntchito kuti fandi pasa ichichi, ngasani pasa drama, nothing will happen. You have to go and knock elsewhere. Ichichi mmachiwala kuti tinechilungama. Ichichi mmachiwala. Ntakuyimbira let's meet here. Oh, kaje ku French culture. Mmachiwala. That's the fact. Mmachiwala. If this were your personal business, kitachatuka regardless. Ngongole mabanki kuti mujimalize. Let's have that business oriented behavior. Titalizane chikuchi. My problems don't be. Let us share. Let's work together. Like you blood and water, anatiwala ife kunoko, anatiwala kunoko basi no sa tangira anatiwala. Atoma tukona boma. Kuma difeo abene we are not doing what we are supposed to be doing. So pekulanga, my problems are kalapo pangana Yesu kubwera. Kuma let's find a way of sorting those problems out and helping Malawians. Basically, that's what I wanted to communicate.
Where I live about this and problems. We are supposed to be support I signed with the government so what press on them so that
that's what I'm saying. It's so PPD kila kama miezi 4 sina turuki. That's where you have to go to the office of the president, office yanga Tanzania ichichike masanga. Then we move fast because just put it there. But that's where we're going to do. I will do it tomorrow. Which means tomorrow, if you have submitted, ma what you be which party is it? No, I'm very interested. Not that only I'm an actor, Pompano. I'm interested in video and Ogwira panopo. Let the people come here and get entertained. And the like. It's part of life. So, let me thank you for coming. And this is teamwork. Let's tell each other where things are not moving okay. And let's move again. Now, yeah, I can see this.
In July last year, we were tasked as DOB to bring out a new modern feel for the open theatre. So with this design, which is based on what we have before as existing, it's going to seat about 950 capacity. And if you see through the illustrations, you will see that we have what we call, like on the interior, there was so-called bucket seats. So we have that bucket seats. On top of that, we were trying to use a theme, the national flag. So you see that we have red, green, and black. On top of that, we say that we cannot have the finish of the roof as modern like hard with iron sheets. So that's where the synthetic fiber thatch, which imitates the natural thatch that was put in, which is that illustration here. So basically what we have here is just illustrating all of that. The reason why we had researched and Rebel needed this was because with this synthetic fiber thatch, the maintenance is low as opposed to natural thatch. Yes. So if you may go through the drawings, if there are any questions, you can answer.
Yeah, you see, the suggestion by the Minister of Local Government is fantastic. I'm not quoting that, but communication and pushing, and also thinking outside the box to say, well, here we are stuck. What else can we do? Pompano was a Malawian. Why do you have Mzungu Ababa? When I come to down. Small things count. You just say, you say, you meet them and you press gas to swap up.
We did not stop then when we were doing this research for something for 950. We were also further tasked that though we had not been asked, we also explored because we had talked of, usually nowadays we're having over 1,200 to maybe 2,000 in the audience. So they said if you can have a design whereby you can have an actually sitting capacity up to 12,500. So that's with that one, we had a proposal made, which is this. Unfortunately, we haven't pinned it up there, but then the drawings are also there with illustrations as well.
Okay.
Yes.
What about toilets up there?
The toilets up there were under another contract.
It's another.
Yes,
It's another one.
it's another contract.
Pompano, it's not then in price of we are talking about 950
Yes.
people coming here. Now, these people you made a call, they have to go to the toilets. Right? Now, then there's people that have worked on this, they should also work on the toilets. Because that becomes more or less a comprehensive program. Because you can do this, well done, excellent, but somebody starts to mess up Ngoko. Then people start pointing fingers at the contractor, government. Because, I mean, you can't do this living out the bathrooms, no.
So with that one,
Well, it's been resolved.
if I may say, when we proposed this, we were doing implementation with the admission box on that as well. Unfortunately, as we were saying that in December, the approvals were not done to encompass all those works. So we had to revert back to just the original contracts.
As you have discussed, toilets. because I've won the contract already. Why not give them a panging toilet only? Because mukapita kuma toilet ko, we also tizabwera maka tikuti toilet yatani with the people who have started patronizing. It's not a directive, but I'm asking you to consider that seriously because it doesn't really, make sense. It's like manga nyumba, you open the toilet and you say toilet atamange ndiye nake kuma mkataba atakuloa ndiye toilet yazimanga ena yake ugugu. So I mean, as I tell you, please. Hey. Yes.
She has always said we were waiting on the addition of the black
I'm just saying, as a lay person, you can't have a house, you open a toilet, put it the contractor, it doesn't just make sense. For my disease speed, if November, we think outside the box, everybody should come on board. Let's see how we can move together. And one wonders, this is the commercial city. Entertainment per weekend, Libe, Mpiraoka. You can go to your Mujeni, Atani Asia, which now up on a break. No entertainment. And then we blame the youngsters per weekend. You have nowhere to go. So it's part of constructing somebody's way of living. Ngapempa chonde please. Ichichi November, chitani? Chitata. Uyanga sign ajali.
Yes.
But you are here. I'm moving around with your signature.
It's appreciated. I will make sure.
Please. You did a very good job, Uzomba. See, we're not there when you are telling the president about all those things. Yes. Do it here as well. Do it here as well. Hey. Naonga.
Yeah.
Umosi umene anayenera Vice President Dr.